see you whine like Rihanna, get all up on the bum diggy diggy bum bum. She burn it up like the summer. She turn me on with a bum diggy diggy bum bum.
You got me like crazy, that you calling
with
me.
a bum diggy diggy bum bum.
You got me like crazy, that you calling me.
पगल मारा धार गुल पागल, आजा मारा धार धार. पगल मारा धार गुल पागल, आजा मारा धार धार. पगल मारा धार गुल पागल, आजा मारा धार धार. पगल मारा धार गुल पागल. Girl, know you want me, तेनू तकिया तो हो गया प्यार वे. You don't believe me, तेनू दिल दा हाल सुना.
पिछे मेरे जाके तू अखियां लड़ाइया, तू दिल नू चुरा के तू चुड़िया चलाइया.
तू गल भर कर दी.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's a great pleasure tonight to welcome you all to this auspicious occasion, celebrating the conclusion of the Upanayan ceremony. I would like to ask everyone to please be seated and make yourselves comfortable. In early days, Upanayana initiated Brahmacharya ashram or student bachelorhood. Even today, students in reputable universities lead the same kind of life. Although it does not look that way, we cannot bring back our bygone days of 5,000 years back. But we can surely infuse the spirit behind it. We might have lost the language of Upanayana in the global world, but its thoughts will always inspire us. I would now like to draw your attention on the screen for the highlights of the Upanayan ceremony that took place on the 7th of June. The Upanayana of a boy is performed when he is 8 years old. This age is fixed for the Upanayan Sanskar, as that is the age when he is able to chant the mantras. He may not, however, be able to understand the meaning of all the mantras, but he must be explained the meaning of Gayatri Mantra, the focal point of this ceremony. In modern days, when we are thriving for world religion, the Gayatri Mantra makes the world understand the true meaning of God and His blessings. Unfortunately, in today's world, godlessness is thrust upon tender minds. As a result, the devil takes over to do wrong things. So be careful what you inculcate. Now it's time, ladies and gentlemen, to introduce the new Brahmin, Shujash.
तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्. ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्. ॐ
During the Upanayana ceremony, the child is asked to go beg alms. It teaches humility at an early age. the mother is the first to give the alms and treats him as brahmachari and not as her son. She offers her deep respect for the life he is committing to undertake. Let me now take the pleasure of introducing the grandfather, Acharya Sri Srimanto Kumar Mukherjee. He was also the priest of the President of India. He has been the Acharya or Guru for the new Brahmin. Let me now introduce grandmother Srimati Madhavi Mukherjee. Srimati Madhavi Mukherjee. Now comes the time to introduce the parents. Can I call? Oh, Joysha is already there. So, Srimati Joysha Mukherjee, and now the father of the Brahmin, Dr. Shukrit Mukherjee, who has also been the Pantodhari, meaning who chants the shlokas as per the scripts and also guides how to implement them in the rituals.
Good evening. Welcome everyone to the conclusion ceremony of the Upanayan. The conclusion ceremony of the Upanayan will be commencing right now because the Sujas will be living the life of a brahmachari or a sannyasi and will be now coming back to normal life, which is also known as Samavartan. Some of you might have seen in the display what Samavartan is, and Sujas will be now joining his fellow members of the family by performing the Samavartan. But before that, Sujas needs the blessings of all of us, and Sujas needs also the blessings of all the Brahmins and all the elders alike. So that is what we'll be performing right now, and which will be followed by the other programs in his reception for his completion or the conclusion of his Upanayan. But before we do that, I want you to take the 30 seconds to just introduce the lineage of our family. My father, who has been also the priest of the President of India, has gone through a lot of rigorous practices in the ritual. He was a military person. I am from a military family whose primary job was to serve the nation, but he also served the nation in the religious capacity as a national priest, and he also tried to brought me up in that shadow. Although I was a student of science, but I tried to learn these things through my father attending National Rashtriya Sanskrit Sansthan, and he left no stone unturned to see that I turn into a priest. For 400 years in our family, this lineage has been carried out, and my father has taken me to places including one of the biggest temple in the world, that is Tirupati temple, where I was trained in the pronunciation of the mantras. My father took me to places in the military bases, in the president palaces, to teach me actually how exactly the rituals are done with the statesmen and also with the armed forces. So right now, after going through all those phases of life for long 28 years of my association with my father in this field, I have been trying to see my son also should follow the family lineage, and that's why how much I was successful in this field, probably only the community can judge, but I want also my son to be someone which is worth in the society. A Brahmin is not a caste, is not a creed, but it is somebody who is wise, who understands what the world is, and he understands how to work better with everyone else. So in that concept, so I want to express my feeling through a poem, because incidentally I'm also a poet. I would like to write poetry in my leisure. So that's why I want to dedicate this to my son, which I wrote early morning today, and I want to recognize my son through this poem. Like a radiant sun, dazzle thee while having fun. Like an immense arbor, blossom surrounding your life's harbor. On this auspicious day of Upanayan, let me give you my opinion that I would dream you to fulfill until the ripe of knowledge and thrill, until you uncover how to mark the final frontier of wisdom in the dark. So this is for you, Sujash, and I will want you to be a successful Brahmin, someone like what Dadaji had wished for long back, and I want you to continue the family lineage. So with saying that, I want to hand it over to my father.
Ladies and gentlemen, today there is one best ceremony, Upanayan ceremony already over on 7th, and today is a gathering ceremony. Here I am praying to God for my grandson, for his bright future and his prosperity. I am praying to God. तस्सभितु वरेण्यं भर्गः देवस्य धीमहि धियो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनं उर्वारुकमिव वर्धनात् मृत्युमुख्यमामृतात् ॐ सहना भवतु सनै भुनक्तु सहो वीर्यकरवावहै तेजस्विना वर्धितमस्तु मां विद्विषावहै। ॐ असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्युं मा अमृतंगमय। ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मां कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ॐ सर्वमङ्गल मङ्गले शिवे सर्वार्थ साधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमस्तुते। नमः सर्वमंगल मंगल्ये वरेण्यं वरदं शुभं नारायणं नमस्कृतं सर्वकर्माणि कारयेत्। नमो माधव वाचि माधव हृदि सरन्ति साधव सर्वकार्येषु माधव। ओं माधव 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 ब्रह्मण्य देवाय गो ब्राह्मण हिताय च जगद्धिताय श्रीकृष्णाय गोविंदाय नारायणाय नमो नमः। ओं ब्रह्मण्य देवाय नमः। ओं गणेशाय नमः। भगवान श्री विष्णवे नारायणाय नमः। नीलकंठ शिवाय नमः। आदित्यादि नवग्रह सहित श्री सूर्याय नमः। अष्टशक्ति अष्टभैरव सहित जगन्माता दुर्गाय नमः। पंचदेवताभ्यो नमो नमः। ओं ब्रह्मण्य देवाय नमः। सर्वदेवेभ्यो नमः। सर्वदेवीभ्यो नमः। महालक्ष्मी नमः। महासरस्वती नमः। सर्वदेवेभ्यो नमः। सर्वदेव देवी सहित भगवान श्री विष्णु नारायणाय नमो नमः।
Thank you very much for your blessings. My mother had written a small poem in dedication of her grandson. he wants to read.
নমস্কার। কালকে রাত্রে ছেলে বললো মা তোমাকে কিছু বলতে হবে, তা আমি বললাম কি আমি কি বলবো বলতো, বলছি যে যা হোক একটা কিছু বলো, সঙ্গে সঙ্গে একটা ছোট করে কবিতা লিখে ফেললাম, সেটা শোনাচ্ছি আপনাদের। সুন্দর যশের অধিকারী তুমি, এসেছো এ ধরায়, প্রদীপের মতো ভেসে এসে তুমি আলোক জ্বেলেছ তনয়। আজ আমি রবীন্দ্রনাথ ঠাকুরের কবিতা মানে উপলক্ষ করে আমি সেটাই একটা রবীন্দ্রনাথের কথাইতেই বলছি। ও আমার প্রাণের আরাম, মনের আনন্দ, আত্মার শান্তি।
Okay. Uh, boy's mother. Boy's mother would like to say something.
Hello, good evening everyone. Thank you very much for all who are here today to celebrate the Upanayan ceremony for my son Sujash Mukherjee. As a mother, I would say that he did a very great job on 7th. On 7th was his, which in Bengali we say poite. So he sat till 9 a.m. in the morning till 5 p.m. and for all rituals to be completed, like he didn't even have a single glass of water. So for 8 hours, like he was like sitting, and there was all mantras, all rituals, like fire we have home. So it was great, and it was a lesson, a very good lesson for the children who are born here, like what is called patience and discipline. So as a mother, like I was really pleased to see so much patience and discipline in him. I'm proud of him, and everybody should have that. So that's what I should pray for everybody. So that's it. So thank you so much.
The ceremony could not have been completed without the great support from some of my near and dear ones. Some of them who have made this occasion possible. The one to name is Mr. Ajay Dubey and his family. Now, the person without whose support this ceremony would not have been possible is Mr. Ghanshyam Chejara and his family. So, apart from this, everyone, including Sushantuda, his family, including Dr. Malay Das and his family, all the dignitaries present here, all the members of the Brahman Samaj of North America who have actually helped me in this regard, because there is supposed to be a convention next month, and actually they extended their cooperation for me to complete this ceremony in time. So I am really grateful to all the BSN members present here. All the committee members of the Durga Puja committee in the various organizations where I have been priest incidentally, they have extended their support too. All my friends, all my colleagues, all my dignitaries, and also my colleagues in my workplace who are also present here and who have made this program a possibility. Thank you all. Thank you very much. Lola, thank you. Naina, thanks a lot. We will chant the Santi Mantra when the boy will leave the place and will walk the carpet. Santi Mantra is something that is written in the Upanishad, and we will be chanting from the Upanishad, which was written 2,500 years back. That mantra, or the pronunciation, the accent is still valid for the well-being of the human, for after any ritual, and that is why we wish all the best. We wish our utter blessings for my boy, and I wish everyone to bless the boy for his successful venture in on the path that is lying ahead. Om Kasta Shatta Madanang Manghangsha Mathandarsha Dirachida Rijevashu Shakinam Jaritrinam Shatang Bhavang Shutae Sastina Rindra Vriddashava Sastina Pusha Vishvaveda Sasti Naksha Arishtanami Sastina Brihaspati Dadatu Prithvi Shvantihi Shvantihi Aushadhaya Shvantihi Shvantihi Vishve Deva Shvantihi Vanaspate Shvanti Devi Om Shvanti Shvanti Shvanti. Thank you very much.
सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्युर्मा अमृतं गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय असतो मा सद्गमय
Stage of life. Samavartana means return. It thus denotes returning home upon completing one's study of the Vedic disciple in the Gurukula. Today we call it high school graduation, intended to be the basic education of life. The importance of the Upanayana ceremony is to make a boy in puberty to receive instruction about spiritual world above the animal world. Now, I would like to invite you to this divine ritual, which will be represented by a dance recital by Akanksha Singh, a disciple of the renowned dancer Srimati Anjani Ambegaonkar.
And then after finishing my PhD in neuroscience, I moved to Southern California, and that's when I started with Anjani Auntie. And Anjani Auntie and Amrapali have been absolutely phenomenal. They are fantastic artists, and it's really been a blessing having the privilege to learn from them. I now work in a biotech in San Diego, but I've continued to come to Orange County to learn from Anjani Auntie and Amrapali. So it's really been a blessing. Once again, thank you for inviting us to be part of your event. This was my first wedding ceremony. It was very exciting to watch everything. And in terms of what to expect from the performance, I just wanted to give a little bit of what's to come. So we start off with a devotional piece. It's an invocation song sung by none other than our dear Mala Ganguly ji. It's beautifully sung by her. After that, we move on to pure nritya pieces or pure dance pieces. So you'll be looking for fast spins and intricate footwork. And then from there, we move on to a more lyrical piece, which is a Kavita Dora. So it's a little bit lighter, and it's basically based on Ras, as well as the interplay between Lord Krishna and Radha. And I finished the performance with Tatkar, so once again highlighting the intricacies of the footwork that's involved in Kathak. And thank you for having us, and I hope...
Nandana
And I cannot but salute Shukrit Mukherjee to keeping the Vedic tradition in a country that we all forgot a lot of other things. So he and his family, I salute, and particularly his father. Where is he? Sir, namaskar. Pranam. I want to give you the pranam, and it makes me proud to be a Hindu, to be a Bengali, to be here, and I'm proud of him. And Maharaja, you will be the Maharaja now, okay? Give a clap for him. Give a clap for him, okay? And,
Shukrit and his family, he has multi-qualified man. He is a scientist, he is a preacher, he is a poet, he is everything. And the overall that he maintained his integrity and the Vedic culture, Vedantic culture in such a way in different countries and the way that he performed the whole rituals for the last 8-9 days, I'm surprised. I told him many a times to cut down, but he was going forward more. So he has done a very wonderful job, and I pray to the Lord that He gives all the blessings in the universe to this new kid. I know him for many years, and to the family, and may have all their dreams comes to true and be healthy, and continue to have the same in the generations. And I think we should learn, our family, we should all learn from this the ceremony for the last 8-10 days. Thank you, and God bless you.
Thank you so much. The new Brahmin will be blessed by our family and is our family uncle, Mr. Ajay Dubey. And he also incidentally was the priest for the occasion on that Upanayan ceremony. So,
thank you everyone for coming to this program. I learned about Sukrit Mukherjee when somebody called me from New Jersey, named Dr. Monu Sen. He said, there's one gentleman coming to your place to stay here and work here, so help him all the time. So his father called me and we become like a brother. So he used to call me Kaku, and I'm very proud that Sujoy has got Upanayan. Now he have to learn like his father all the Sanskrit and do the ritual thing. God bless you.
Hello.
Dr. Sudhakar Dikshit and Dr. Vinod Mishra are going to bless the boy. So they are all we have been members of the Brahman Samaj of North America. Dr. Sanjay Pandey, where is Dr. Pandey? And also Gopal Chaturvedi, Ramji, Ram Mishra, Ramji, So all of us are colleagues, and Mr. Ajay Dubey too. All of us are members of the Brahman Samaj of North America. The purpose, the goal of this organization is to promote the Vedic values into our day-to-day life. So staying abroad, how we can inculcate those cultures into our offsprings, into our next generation, so that they can also follow our culture, our heritage, and our legacy. So that's what the purpose of this organization. So,
Good evening. We're all very proud of Sukrit and Sajaz for allowing us to be here, to be part of this wonderful ceremony. It's wonderful to see that Sukritji is keeping up with all the traditions of our culture. It's very nice to see that. Thank you so much. It gives us all the inspiration.
Thank you very much. It's a pleasure to come to this sort of ceremony. And tomorrow in this country there is Father's Day, and it's wonderful to see father, son, and another son, the three generation of such a celebration. And like the mother of the boy said, that it shows, some of the values are like discipline and not really sanskar, but on the other hand, just the inheritance of patience and virtues and all these values really. That is our purpose actually. And all the best wishes to Sajash and this community, and to Sukrit for showcasing this thing in an incredible way. Thank you.
I think Sukrit did it. These are our Vedic values. and these Vedic values should be continued. It's changing paradigm into India. Today you see these Vedic values are the one who keep it up, and you can see with the boy that this tells how our society continue for thousands and thousands here. Wish you all best luck, and we wanted our young generation should continue like that. Thank you.
Thank you, Gopalji. Thank you very much. Sanjay ji.
Thank you, Sukrit. First of all, I congratulate Sukrit and his family for inviting us and also showing us the values that we have been brought up, and he continued to keep that value here in USA. And one example I can give you that I was watching a clip from somewhere in India. This one priest was asking the audience for the children where Ram was born, where Krishna was born. To my surprise, when I saw that, none of the kids were able to say where they were born. And parents were starting clapping. So priest said, don't do that, you should be ashamed of it. Now, when Sukrit shows as a parent and his wife and his grandfather, to his son and grandson, this is amazing. So we should all take pride in Sukrit's achievement, what he has done, and God bless him, his family. I am from Banaras, so I will say that Lord Kashi Vishwanath bless his family, his son, for his future endeavors and all the brightness. Thank you.
I already said so.
I just want to congratulate Suyash and Sukrit for a wonderful job done in inviting us. Thank you all. Have a good evening.
Thank you very much.
One second. Let's take
जानामि धर्मं न च मे प्रवृत्ति न जानामि अधर्मं न च मे निवृत्ति तया ऋषिकेश स्थितेन यथा निযুক্তস্মি তথা করোমি। আমার ভেতরে যে ভগবান আছেন তিনি আমাকে যা নিযুক্ত করছেন আমি তাই করি। আজ যে এই বাচ্চাটিকে দেখেছিলাম অনেক ছোট বাচ্চা মেলা থেকে, আজ তার উপনয়ন হলো, দ্বিতীয় জন্ম হলো, সে বড় হয়ে গেল, সে আরেকটা নতুন জন্মে প্রবেশ করলো। তার এই শুভ দিনে আমার ভেতর থেকে আমার যত হার ক্ষমতা যা কিছু আমার আছে, আমি যেটুকু অর্জন করেছি সেটুকু তাকে আদি আশীর্বাদ করছি। সে যেন জীবনে ধন্য হয়, অনেক বড় হয়, নতুন জীবন থেকে আরেক জীবনে যায় আর অনেক বড় হয়।
খুব ভালো পেরেছেন।
Now, another approach to celebrate the conclusion of this ritual is to offer our prayers to the divine through a classical musical composition, which is going to be depicted through a unique approach today by the fusion of American and Indian classical music and rhythm by the maestro Sri Alok Dasgupta and his team. Haley on the bass, Richard on cajon and drum, Tony on bass again, Milo on guitar.
We have the bass player, two bass player actually. One is, first I want to introduce with our guest artist Tony Karasek. When you go home, put Karasek sound and you'll see what he does. In 1987, Pandit Ravi Shankar 89 came to San Diego. We arranged a concert and I introduced with Tony. He was my best friend when I joined in San Diego State to study ethnomusicology. From that time I know Tony from 1982, and so he worked with Pandit Ravi Shankar, he traveled with him, he used to work for his instrument. Later he made a beautiful, he sells also sitar. He went to India and he stayed for a long time, learned the technique. He plays all the Indian instrument plus also with the Western instrument. So he will play a little bit, one of the famous song probably the people who raised in this country, they know all of this song. And the first time in sitar, you will hear, except George Harrison, the songs we are going to play, you heard before that thing. So, and also I like to say all our friends. I think they told about Milo, the guitarist. Where is Milo? Here. Here is Milo. He went to India many times. He plays excellent guitar. That's his profession. Plus also he does yoga and he teaches yoga. And that's Helly over there for bass. And Richard, he's our cajon and drummer. And in this moment, for last 10 days, I come to know one of the person, a multi-talented. I never seen this kind of guy, and always he smiles. Last night I say that, I want to say something in English, means, really strong English. The guy said, no problem. He wrote a beautiful poetry for me on that one. And, so he plays tabla also. By the way, his poetry was selected one of the best poetry in the collections, in the United States collections of the poetry. So let me call my friend. He has like 15 or 20 publications also. Let me call, he's here. His name is Sukrit, I'm sorry about that, Dr. Sukrit Mukherjee. He plays tabla. Believe me or not, he's going to join. Are you going to play with us? It's okay, right? You want to play? Okay, please, because, and if any problem, please everybody take care of yourself because the host is coming. Hostess is there, but please, the host is coming. Please excuse me and join with us, please. A couple of songs. Thank you very much, and let's do our show. Thank you. doesn't matter what happened. When we stay in West, we cannot forget Mahatma Gandhi, so as in India. This is the song of Mahatma Gandhi, a spiritual song. So I'm playing that. If anybody knows this thing, if they will sing that with me, that'll be great. Thank you.
Like I said, that was really great. Just like how you all are. This is one of the best audiences I have ever seen. You guys are so attentive, so quiet. You know? I want to hear you guys. Wake up. How's everyone doing tonight? Oh, come on. That's not good enough. Okay, good. So, in this wonderful evening tonight, I'm here to tell you guys about something that's very, very important. And that important thing is dinner. And I'd also like to say that our Maharaja should be the next model for Air India. All he needs is a mustache and he's right? Anyone agree? Everyone agree? Okay, good. You guys are awake. So we will be having dinner. I will announce which tables We'll be doing 4 tables at a time. So the first tables to go are table number 7, 8, 11, and 12. Once again, 7, 8, 11, and 12. And also on with the program. This next song that they're gonna perform, you guys are supposed to guess which song it is. Okay? According to LFG. You guys are supposed to guess. Oh, I know this song, but a lot of you don't. Okay. Now I'm scared. Okay. So once again, 7, 8, 11, and 12, and then in a few minutes I'll announce the next tables. Thank you.
which is dance music for 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's the Western. But this one is the Indian one. Waltz, so you can dance. It's 3 beats.
Wow. One more round of applause, everybody. That was great. Jai Shri Ram. Once again, Jai Shri Ram. Great, great. You know, after this, I've been excited for this event. The next thing I'm excited for is in just a few hours, India versus Pakistan, right? India doesn't have to win the World Cup. As long as they beat them, that's good enough. Who's with me? Yeah? Yep, they're with me. Okay.
Is Pooja here? Pooja? Gone?
Okay, so the dinner areas are just a bit crowded because, you know, after I announced the first few tables, some other tables, unannounced, just went there. And I understand, so it's a little hectic over there. So if we can just remain for maybe 5 minutes, then I'll announce the next tables, okay?
But whoever will go there, they have to give their feedback. How is the dinner?
Oh yeah,
So to
we
ask
need their
feedback.
feedback, yeah. We're gonna hear from what they have to say, and then we'll go. Yeah? I think we can work together, yeah. On with the show.
Last 40 years, 50 years. So the Painted Black, I played with Mr. Mick Jagger. That was in downtown, not downtown, in Pasadena, Rose Bowl. And there was 50,000 people that read what we were trying to play. So anyway, this is the experimental music. Music is not always is fun or anything. It's serious, like about a sonata or that kind of stuff. So this one, last night I was talking to it when we had little rehearsal. I was telling Dr. Sukrit Mukherjee, hey, I want to say something. I want to say something which is complete different. So he wrote a poem for me. All the people, they have a problem. So I had a problem 2 years ago, and I tried to escape, and I was telling God, help me. So this is a poetry. I'll read what Sukrit wrote, Dr. Sukrit Mukherjee. Please listen carefully. Seated was I in my home with my... Tony, can you stop please for a second? Seated was I in my home with my unstrained mind of my own, praying I was to my Creator to rescue me from my restless chapter. Please stop. Came the dawn past night, awakened was I, as if by the Lord of nights. Strike through the cloud, 2 rays of light to shine 2 spots in front of my sight. Light, there are 2 books as blessings of the supreme reign, and one was Paradise Lost, while other was Paradise Regained, the famous poetry by Milton. So I have encouraged that Pooja Tumre, she is our associate. Last year she invited me to go take the award for the Federation of India, right? Federation of India American Society. So they honored me a plaque last year, and I played there too. It was in Washington, and so from that time we know each other. Excellent dancer. Next time she's going to perform the dance. So she's going to play a small excerpt from Paradise Lost, and that's called On His Blindness, and that's by Milton. I'll play a little sitar. I got this idea from my Ustad Ali Akbar Khan. He played a beautiful album with a French poet, lady poet. So I got the idea, so I'll try to do a little music on that one too.
Namaskar everybody. Once again I'd like to congratulate Sukrit Bhai on this auspicious occasion, and I'm honored that Alokda, who's the recipient of a national award, last year he was invited to Washington DC, and where he received a national award for classical sitar playing. He was invited to the embassy, and he also had a concert and a workshop at the 20th convention of National Federation of Indian American Associations. So here I have the honor of reading out this poem for him. The theme of the poem is accepting the love of God unconditionally, even though you have a physical disability. The poem goes, when I consider how my light is spent, ere half my days in this dark world and wide, and that one talent which is death to hide, lodged with me useless, though my soul more bent to serve with my Maker and present my true account. Lest he returning chide doth God exact, day, labor, light denied. I fondly ask but patience to prevent, that murmur soon replies, God doth not need either man work or his own gifts. Who best bear his mild yoke, they serve him best. His take is kingly, 1,000 at his bidding speed, and poster land and ocean without rest. They also serve who stand and wait. Thank you very much, everybody.
Thank you.
The purpose that today we try to gather here with the fusion is this, that in whatever culture, whatever way we pray the Almighty or the Divine, it goes to the same eternity called God. And that's why this is an attempt, one of a unique kind, that we try to
bring together the American classical with the Indian classical. And that is why, so what is the music without these classics of classical's origin? We are going to explore that right now in our concluding version.
The last piece we are going to play starts with a small, there are two things in the world, one is classic and one is classical. It starts with the classic and finish with the classical. This is a song of one of our famous poet, Kabir Das. He's telling, listen carefully what he's telling, Jal mein kumbh hai, kumbh mein jal, bahar bhitar pani, टूटे कुंभ जल जल ही समाना ये तत कहो ये ज्ञानी जल में कुंभ है कुंभ में जल है आगे गगना अंते गगना मध्य गगना भारी कहत कबीर कर्म किस लागे झूठी एक उपाई जल में कुंभ है कुंभ में जल है It's the water is in a pitcher and in the whole water is full. The whole world is full of water. 3/4 of the water is in the world. So in the pitcher, if we have water, that's the like us. As soon as the pitcher breaks, the water goes and mix with the world, the water in the ocean. Jal mein kumbh hai, kumbh mein jal hai.
unique and non-traditional way of a fusion between American classical and Indian classical. If you like the composition, please let us know. Thank you very much for all for listening to this great composition by the maestro Alok Dasgupta and the team. Thank you all, and we have the another entertainment program that the songs will follow next. We have the singers who for this night tonight, and I'm very proud to announce that Bappi Lahiri ji, our great Indian music icon, was supposed to attend today's event, but he could not attend, so his son Bappa Lahiri is here with us tonight. Thank you, Bappa, for coming. Thank you very much. So we'll have some song and musical sessions that will be following shortly. Thank you very much. Please stay tuned.
Let me hear you shout. Come on.
What was I saying? Yes. So the last segment of tonight's entertainment portion consists of vocal music, vocal singing. We have for us Mr. Shoikat Chakraborty of Anaheim Hills, California. I'm talking as if, I don't know him. He's actually my uncle. So Shoikat uncle will be giving us the gift of his music. He has a very sweet voice, so hope you guys enjoy it.
All my best wishes for Sujash, and congratulations Shukrit and all the family members for organizing this wonderful event. I'll try to present a few Bengali and Hindi songs, so hopefully you will like it. But what I have to do is, since there is no one in the sound board, so I may have to just shuttle between singing and doing the sound stuff. So it may not go very perfectly, but I'll try to do my best. So please, কাছে রেখে গেলাম আমার ঠিকানা, আমি ঝড়ের কাছে রেখে গেলাম আমার ঠিকানা, আমি কাঁদলাম বহু হাসলাম এই জীবন জোয়ারে ভাসলাম, আমি গঙ্গার কাছে ঘুরে রাখলাম নিশানা, ঝড়ের কাছে রেখে গেলাম আমার ঠিকানা। কখন জানি না সে তুমি আমার জীবনে এসে যেন সঘন শ্রাবণে প্লাবনে দুকুলে ভেসে শুধু হেসে ভালোবেসে কখন জানি না সে তুমি আমার জীবনে এসে যেন সঘন শ্রাবণে প্লাবনে দুকুলে ভেসে শুধু হেসে ভালোবেসে যত যতনে সাজানো স্বপ্ন হলো সকলে নিমেষে ভগ্ন আমি দুর্বার স্রোতে ভাসলাম করি অজানায় নিশানা ঝড়ে কাছে রেখে গেলাম আমার ঠিকানা ওগো ঝরা পাতা যদি আবার কখনো ডাকো সেই শ্যামল হারানো স্বপ্ন মনেতে রাখো যদি ডাকো যদি ডাকো ওগো ঝরা পাতা যদি আবার কখনো ডাকো সেই শ্যামল হারানো স্বপ্ন মনেতে রাখো যদি ডাকো যদি ডাকো আমি আবার কাঁদবো হাসবো এই জীবন জোয়ারে ভাসবো আমি বজ্রের কাছে মৃত্যু মাঝে রেখে যাবো নিশানা ঝড়ে কাছে রেখে গেলাম আমার ঠিকানা আমি কাঁদলাম বহু হাসলাম এই জীবন জোয়ারে ভাসলাম আমি বন্যার কাছে ঘুরলাম কাছে রাখলাম নিশানা ঝড়ে কাছে রেখে গেলাম আমার ঠিকানা Thank you so much. The sound may not be perfect because I'm not very used to this mixer board and we don't have anyone managing the mixer board, so I apologize for any poor quality of sound. कहना है आज तुमसे ये पहली बार ओ तू ही तो लाई तो जीवन में मेरे प्यार 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 कहना है आज तुमसे ये पहली बार ओ तू ही तो लाई तो जीवन में मेरे प्यार 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 तुमसे कहने वाली और भी है प्यारी बातें तुमसे कहने वाली और भी है प्यारी बातें सामने सबके बोलो कैसे कह दूं सारी बातें आज मगर बस इतना ही करना है इकरार तुम ही तो लाए तो जीवन में मेरे प्यार 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 सोते ये सपना मेरे गले में डाल रही हो तुम बाहों का हार। तुम्ही बुलाई तो जीवन में मेरे प्यार 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 कहना है आज तुमसे ये पहली बार। ओ तुम्ही तो लाई तो जीवन में मेरे प्यार प्यार प्यार। तुम्ही तो लाई तो जीवन में मेरे प्यार प्यार प्यार। तुम्ही तो लाई तो जीवन में मेरे प्यार प्यार प्यार। Thank you so much. শোনো কোনো একদিন আকাশ বাতাস জুড়ে দিনছি বর্ষায় দেখি তোমার চুলের মতো মেঘসা ছড়ানো চাঁদের মুখের পাশে জড়ানো মন হারালো হারালো মন হারালো 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 সেই দিন। শোনো কোনো একদিন আকাশ বাতাস জুড়ে রিমঝিম বর্ষায় দেখি তোমার চুলের মতো মেঘসা ছড়ানো চাঁদের মুখের পাশে জড়ানো মন হারালো হারালো মন হারালো 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 সেই দিন। আরো একদিন তামসী তামসিনী রাত্রি ঘুম ঘুম নিভৃতে জীবন পথের সব যাত্রী আমি একেলা চলেছি নিরুদ্দেশ যাত্রী রাত জাগা এক পাখি শুনি জীবন জয়ের গীত গাথি। মনে হলো মোর দুঃখ রাতে যেমন করে ভোলাতে মন হারালো হারালো মন হারালো 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 সেই দিন। আরো একদিন আমার খাঁচার পাখি চন্দনা গীতহীনা আনমো না কি যে ভাবে বসে তা জানি না। সন্ধ্যাবেলা হঠাৎ ঘরেতে ফিরে দেখি উড়ে গেছে চলে গেছে আমার খাঁচার পাখি চন্দনা। মনে হলো মোর পিছে ফেলে যেদিন তুমি চলে গেলে মন হারালো হারালো মন হারালো 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 সেই দিন। শোনো কোনো একদিন আকাশ বাতাস জুড়ে রিমঝিম বর্ষায় দেখি তোমার চুলের মতো মেঘসা ছড়ানো চাঁদের মুখের পাশে জড়ানো মন হারালো হারালো মন হারালো 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 সেই দিন। DXU097 6DXU097. That card is blocking the road. If someone could please take it out. The number is 6DXU097. তোমার কাছেই ফিরে আসবো, তোমায় আবার ভালোবাসবো। তুমি কি ডাকবে মোরে চেনা সে নামটি ধরে? আমি তোমার কাছেই ফিরে আসবো, তোমায় আবার ভালোবাসবো। তুমি কি ডাকবে মোরে চেনা সে নামটি ধরে? আমি তোমার কাছেই ফিরে আসবো। জীবনের এই আঁকা বাঁকা হয় হোক না সে বন্ধু, ঠিকানা লিখে যায় ওই দুটি কালো চোখ। এই প্রিয় বন্ধু চেনা সে নামটি ধরে? তুমি কি ডাকবে মোরে? আমি তোমার কাছে ফিরে আসবো, তোমায় আবার ভালোবাসবো। ডাকবে মোরে চেনা সে নামটি ধরে? আমি তোমার কাছেই ফিরে আসবো। তুমি দিলে সে কথা পাখি নিয়ে গায়, আকাশের নীল স্বপ্নে আলো হয়ে যায়। দিলে সে কথা পাখি নিয়ে গায়, আকাশের নীল স্বপ্নে আলো হয়ে যায়। পৃথিবীর যত সুখ যত কিছু ভালো তার সব নিয়ে চলে যায়। দুজনার দুটি মন চিরতরে একাকার, এই শুধু বলে যায়। তুমি কি ডাকবে মোরে চেনা সে নামটি ধরে? আমি তোমার কাছেই ফিরে আসবো, তোমায় আবার ভালোবাসবো। सपने सुरीले मैंने तेरे लिए ही 7 रंग के सपने चुने। सपने सुरीले सपने, कुछ हंस के कुछ गम के, तेरी आंखों के साए चुराए रसीली यादों ने। ओ मैंने तेरे लिए ही 7 रंग के सपने चुने। सपने सुरीले सपने, छोटी बातें छोटी छोटी बातों की है यादें बड़ी, भूले नहीं बीती हुई एक छोटी घड़ी। छोटी बातें छोटी छोटी बातों की है यादें बड़ी, भूले नहीं बीती हुई एक छोटी घड़ी। जन्म जन्म से आंखें बिछाई तेरे लिए इन राहों ने। ओ मैंने तेरे लिए ही 7 रंग के सपने चुने। सपने सुरीले सपने,
रात भर